This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. This is the epitome of SWFL living. The popular Lazio floor plan built by Taylor Morrison has over 2,300 square feet of living, boasting 3 bedrooms plus den and 3 full bathrooms. The outdoor space will truly wow you. Fully equipped outdoor kitchen and bar with gas fireplace and oversized covered lanai that flows into a magnificent custom pool setting, with spa, water features, and gas fire bowls. The entertaining options are endless. This particular home offers a courtyard entry, 3-car tandem garage, full house generator, and lanai shutters. Situated on an enormous manicured homesite, providing privacy of protected preserve and lake views, with highly sought-after southern exposure. Estero Pointe is a gated natural gas community with just 64 single-family homes. A community pool and entertainment area host gatherings for its residents to connect and mingle. Located minutes from desired restaurants, shopping, and the SWFL International Airport. Make this amazing home your next best address today. For more information, review the details below.